Let us look at preprocessor directives, which are also called as macros. What are these? These are the instructions to compiler. We can give some instruction to the compiler so that before it start compiling of a program, it can follow those instructions and perform those instructions. So the most famous one, for example, is hash define we use, and hash define mostly used for defining some constants. Mostly we define a constant for pi, so I am taking the same thing, 3.1425. Now inside main function, if I write somewhere cout pi, now let us see what happens. If this is there in my program and the main function is using it, so wherever I am using in the program, that value will be replaced by 3.1425. So wherever pi is appearing in the program, this value will be replaced there. When it is replaced, before the program starts compiling. So what the compiler see here in this line, it will not see pi, it will see 3.1425. See out that value, that's all. Wherever this symbol is appearing, it will replace with that next thing, whatever is written here. So I'll show you one more thing. I will say hash define C for cout. Now can I say C10? Yes. What will happen? This C will be replaced by cout before the compilation. Now what the compiler see, this will be replaced as cout. So yes, you can change the object name also here. Cout can be changed to C or just out, whatever the name you want. So this is the benefit of preprocessor. So basically this is useful for mentioning some constant, defining some constant. So these constants, the constant that I have used here, these are called as symbolic constants. So by using hash define, we can define symbolic constant. Now next, using hash define, even we can write functions. Let me show you. I will remove this and show you. Here I write hash define sqr, a function. Then what does it do? X into x. Then inside main function, if I write cout sqr 5, then what will happen? This will be replaced by 5 into 5. So when it is replaced before the compilation process start. So pre-compiler, preprocessor directives. So I can mention a function, this will be taken as parameter, and that x will be multiplied and it will be written as 5 into 5. So it will be actually cout 5 into 5. It will not be sqr for the compiler. Now there is more on this one. See, hash define msg x, and if I write hash x, then whatever the parameter I send, it will convert into a string by writing double quotes. So let me show you. Cout msg hello. Now here I have mentioned hello without double quotes. So in preprocessor, this will be replaced as hello in double quotes. So if you write single hash there, it means that a literal or the parameter should be enclosed in double quotes. This is how we can make use of directives for writing constants, symbolic constants, as well as functions. They all are used for replacing the contents before the compilation process starts. Now there is one more thing I'll show you. I'll remove this one. We can write if and def, means if not define, then only define it. So hash define 3.1425 and if. This hash define, if it is not already defined, then only it will be defined. Otherwise it will not be defined again. See, the problem here is this hash define, if it's already there, then it will cause an error if you are defining it again. So before that we have written a condition that if it is not defined, then define it. So that's all. Let us try the code and check it.